let's take a trip back in time to taste the original caramel popcorn. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I don't know if you grew up in an era where they had Cracker Jacks, but I saw these and had to pick them up because this is a delightful treat that I loved as a kid. Now, as you can see here, Cracker Jack, the original caramel-coated popcorn, and other things. There are a number of reasons why I bet you don't see these anymore. One, because people don't eat these lowbrow treats anymore. It's all Popcornopolis or Clark's Popcorn or whatever, or all these frou-frou brands that are super high-end, but this is the original that I always desired as a kid. Now, I want to show you that it kind of like opens up like a cereal box. There is this kind of paper foil liner inside where the popcorn is being stored. The other thing is that every box usually had some sort of surprise, so you can see the popcorn in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour this out so you can see what this is like. I will also say the boxes are quite a bit smaller than I remember, but maybe as a kid, this is how big they were, and it was just enough. Now, here we have popcorn, and look at that. Looks like regular, delicious caramel popcorn. Actually, still really good. Just a small bowl full of these tiny, tiny treats. Now, I want to hunt around in here because what you might be able to see is we also have peanuts in here. So, they are like these honey roasted peanuts that you used to get on airplanes before everyone caught a peanut allergy. So, I'm picking these out and eating them. Now, to me, whenever I found these peanuts, I was kind of disappointed because all I really wanted was the caramel covered popcorn. But these are pretty good. I think they're peanuts. Pretty easy to eat. So, I always felt like I was getting ripped off with something partially healthy. I guess the peanut really isn't healthy, but when you were expecting just caramel popcorn, it's always a disappointment to get anything else, but man, these are good. All right, stop, because the other thing I want to show you here is this, and this was a little prize that came inside every Cracker Jack box. So sometimes it would just be something like this, and I think these are meant to be super cheap, but I feel like sometimes they would have little magnifying glasses and actually like real toys in them, but for the most part, sometimes they're just little gimmicks that are very cheap to produce. And in this case, I think this is just a sticker. So there you go. And then there's some websites there that you can go to for other games to play. Those were never there when I was a kid since the internet didn't exist. So Cracker Jacks, not around because peanuts will kill everyone within a 100-mile radius of you. 2, the name now is totally offensive to people. And 3, everyone just eats all those frou-frou high-end brands. But don't forget, Cracker Jack started it all. If you want to pick up Cracker Jacks and relive a little bit of your childhood, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than